Good afternoon, good evening. Today we want to talk about how to build a money nest. Now, just a short story. I met a particular woman 3 days ago, and she was telling me about how she has been able to make, like last year, she made more than 12 million, 1.4 million every month. Yes, she showed me some evidence, and evidently, looking at her, you know that she's a big woman. But how did she make this much money inside Lagos, inside Nigeria? This is the story. She told me she used to go to Idumota or Oshodi, or those popular markets in Lagos. She buys bag, she buys clothes, shoes, everything, all those stuff, clothing materials, accessories and all those stuff. And she sells them online with WhatsApp. Now, how does she get all these things? She puts them on Snapchat and Instagram. Then she directs these people to her WhatsApp. Now, she told me she has about 1,400 people on her WhatsApp list. These are people that are ready to buy, people that have money to buy. Now, that is her own money nest. That's how she was able to build her own money nest. What are you doing to build your own money nest? You have to build one for yourself. This is why most people, you struggle every day. And now, you people that are in sales, you struggle because you don't have a money nest. Money nest is where people come and buy. You have people that are ready to buy with their money, that they respect you. Now, let's look at how you can build a money nest. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. So this is how you build your own money nest. The first thing is that you need to pick a market audience, people that have interest, that will buy from you. Then how do you pick these people? Very simple. When you have a market audience, like now, if you are selling bags, you are selling shoes, you are selling clothes, the most sure way to get people are to get people that are between the age of 20 and 35 that will be buying for you. These people, they buy just every single day. Then how do you make sure they buy? There's something you must offer. We call it lead magnets. What did I say? Lead magnets. When you have a good lead magnet, they will come to your WhatsApp. They give you your number, their numbers, and they will be added. By this, you are good to go. So that is number one step on how to build your own money nest. First, remember your market audience. Who are the people that you want to sell to? Then secondly, you need to build a lead magnet. Let's check number 3. But if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do, because on this channel we make sure you have some things to go on with. How to build that side hustle, how to have the extra income, how to have multiple streams of income, how to be a career person. Thank you. But don't go away yet, because we still have a lot to talk about. Now, when you have your lead magnet, what you should do is you have to expose your lead magnet to a lot of people. That lead magnet, we call it lead magnet, which is going to be magnetic. It's going to attract them to you. Then when you have that lead magnet, expose it. You can run adverts on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and these people that have interest in what you are selling, they will come to you through your lead magnet. You have to offer something most of the time. So that is how you have them on your WhatsApp list. Then from there, you can be selling to them. Very simple. Most of you don't know how to advertise on social media. You have to learn it. And on this channel too, I have a video too that will talk about that in a simple way that you can use to advertise your goods, as how to get people that are really interested in your goods, not just your goods or products shown to just random people. I mean people that are ready to spend their money for you. So thank you. That's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are growing. As of today now, we're over 800 people community. So thank you. See you some other time.